brave bird in the storm. Once upon a time, there was a small bird named Pip. Pip lived near the big ocean with many other birds. One day, a big storm came. The wind howled, and the waves crashed against the shore. All the birds flew away to find shelter, but Pip was too scared. He didn't know where to go. Pip held on tightly to a branch and closed his eyes. He wished for the storm to end. As the storm raged on, Pip felt scared and alone, but he remembered his friends and family. He knew he had to be brave. When the storm finally passed, Pip opened his eyes. He saw that he was safe and sound. Pip flew back to his friends and family. They were happy to see him and praised him for his bravery. From that day on, Pip was known as a brave bird who survived the storm. He learned that even in the toughest times, courage can help you through. And so, Pip's story taught everyone that being brave is important, especially when things get tough.
Please like, share and subscribe for more.